Okay, we're here, 2025. We're doing this hard enduro thing again, and thanks to this guy. Matt just keeps bringing me back in, and we're yeah, here at King of the Motos. Way more prepared this year than we were last year, and we're excited to get some things done. We've made a big step, and we've got out of the 4-stroke class, and we're actually riding the pro class this year, and still on a 4-stroke though. So,
but nobody cares about that.
No.
Nobody?
19 years ago, Anson was born, and today is his birthday. So, happy birthday, Anson. And we're glad he entered this world 19 years ago.
By the time this video's out, it'll be late, so happy belated birthday.
Belated birthday, right? We're here, and there's no other place I'd rather spend my birthday. Up to the pro class.
I'm an ISD gold medal. That's
hey,
no big deal.
At the rider check-in, there were some scared pros. They heard it, and they were like, "What? You're racing pro?"
They'll hear you tomorrow.
Yeah, so we've been out here for a couple days already just riding, but the bike's a little dirty, but a lot of people that kind of stepped up this year to just get this bike better. Last year, again, we came in with just the old 350 I had laying in the back of the shop, and this year I actually went out and bought a brand new 350 XWF. So this is like it's the dual sport one, but it wasn't dual sported out. It didn't have the blinkers and license plate and stuff, but it still had all the smog stuff. So we took all the smog stuff out. So we're gonna go put a new tire on. Went and rode yesterday and today, kind of smoked the tire. So just talked with Jerry about a good tire setup. We got a real nice soft bib. So we're gonna run a VE33 Dakota, which has got a little stiffer knob, so it should do a little better than the soft sand. But still has a nice soft carcass. So Friday we're just kind of chilling, just you know, killing a little time. Yeah, not too much, just chilling, which is nice. Relaxing.
The scary part is
everything better than us.
We'll see.
Yeah, they're
Are you guys all set?
I don't know why you do it, but yeah, I guess you are.
What do you think, Mark?
Mark's not a fan of destroying motorcycles. Especially
Poor bike.
But with Mark's recommendations, we went with the VE33. So I think it's
Definitely.
Why is that the recommendation?
Well, for the, especially as a 350, that torque, you need that tire to hold up, especially in here. It's not slick, you know, it's a sand. There's a deep sand with the rocks. 33S does amazing on the conditions. So
yeah, I think it's gonna be good, especially once it kind of like, if I can run it tomorrow and kind of like wear the sidewall in a little bit, by Sunday it'll be picking up a little bit better, and yeah, I think it's gonna be good.
this thing is drilled, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you learned a lesson.
Yeah, it's drilled a lot. Went
Finally, you learned a lesson.
through the side. I learned a lot last year.
I'm proud of you.
Learned a lot. We learned a lot last year. Okay. Here we are, guys. First day of racing here at King of the Motos. We got our qualifier today, so feeling good. Got to do some riding this week, and yeah, we'll see how the bike handles. I got everything on it that I need, and fresh IRC VE33, and see what we can do. Gonna start up with the pros and just try to, you know, stay up there, kind of figure out the pace with them, and hopefully just learn a lot. That's the big thing, trying to learn from what they're doing, the lines they're taking, and everything like that. But yeah, I'm excited. Beautiful day. It's a little chilly, but I got 20 minutes. I got to get to the start line, so we're gonna get rolling. Yeah, so we're sitting here on the start line of the prologue, and we're getting ready to go. I'm gonna get this thing fired up, and we'll have a good time.
Alright, we're here at the start of the prologue of King of the Motos on Saturday. You got Anson Maloney on the 4-stroke. This terrain isn't exactly 4-stroke terrain, but Anson's the guy to do it. He's gonna put that weight to the ground and just keep chugging through all these loose, rocky terrain. Super stoked to see what he's got today. Let's run it.
Okay, see you later. Bye. Thanks, big dog. Good job.
I was gonna wait for you to get around me.
Lost my shifter. Okay, we're done with the day. Qualifier went pretty good. Ended up 20th in the pro class, which I'm pretty happy with. I think last year I was like 30 something overall, so pretty big improvement. Really didn't have any, super big issues. Did break my shifter off on the second loop, which caused some issues trying to, get it rolling. But yeah, other than that, it was a great day. Feeling pretty good, getting ready for tomorrow. Just got to eat some food, stay hydrated, and yeah, button the bike back up, get a new fresh IRC tire on, and we're gonna give her hell tomorrow. Yeah, here we go. Main race day, we're on road 2, and yeah, we're gonna give her hell. We'll see how it goes. We've got 6 hours in it, so it'll be a long old day tomorrow. Yeah, start ripping that one off. Yeah, you want to rip?
Did you crash or something?
No, I was just going down a hill and the bike just kind of bounced into a rock and freaking got me.
All right, Anson, lap 1 is done. How's your situation here?
It was going okay. I was having a little bit of a struggle, and then unfortunately I clipped a rock going down one of the hills and smoked a radiator. So we're getting a radiator right now. I just pulled this one off. Yeah, so we're gonna swap it out and see how far back up we can get. We're what are we? Like an hour and a half into this thing, so we still got 4.5 hours to try to make up some time. So
you were sitting pretty good, top 20 in that bunch, huh?
Yeah, I was struggling a little bit. I got some wicked arm pumps, so I fell back, but I think I was somewhere in the top 20, and I think we'll see if we can get back into not last place. Okay, guys. Well, I'll hopefully see you in a couple hours. done. King of the Motos is over. It was a long day. We had some issues. I got a good-ish start, not great. I was kind of battling with some guys, got some pretty bad arm pump, which was a bummer. And then coming down one of the last big hills, ended up just smashing my radiator, putting a hole in the radiator. So that took some time. I had to swap the radiator over, swap the fan over, do a bunch of little things like that. Took a little time getting radiators on and off different bikes. But yeah, it was still good. I was able to work my way back up. I think I ended 19th in the pro class or something like that. We're not sure overall. They still haven't got all that figured out yet. I bet Owen will put a little stat in how we did overall, but definitely not where I wanted. I probably lost 20, 25 minutes swapping the radiator, and then by that time I was pretty deep in the A class, so had a bunch of lappers to deal with. But all in all, felt really good on the bike. We're getting better. I just need to practice more, really. It's definitely a little different riding in the pro class than the 4-stroke class, right? These guys are actually out here training and putting time in. So yeah, I got to do that, and then yeah, now we're just getting the bike ready. I'm taking it all apart right now. We're gonna drain the fuel and get all the fuel out of it, disconnect the battery, and get it ready for Hawaii. And then we're gonna, you know, see how we do over there. Totally different. It's wild that this series, right? We go from racing out here in the most awful rocky desert to we're going to Hawaii to race in the beautiful rainforest. So yeah, it's a trip. I'm stoked. Really appreciate everybody that helped today while the, you know, swapping the radiator. Mojo was working on it. A couple kids I trained's dads were helping out. Thanks to them. The beta guys were helping. But yeah, all in all, good day. Appreciate everybody's support. IRC for getting me some tires. Mojo for being out here, being my pit crew, and Owen for behind the camera, Megs, everything. It's been a, yeah, it's been a good day. I'm tired. I'm gonna go get some ice cream, go to sleep.